वीडियो हो गया मान वीडियो फोटो ना वीडियो हो गया
No pronunciation of school, no rest. No rest, no rest. No pronunciation of school, no rest. No rest, no rest. No pronunciation of school, no rest. No rest, no rest. No pronunciation of school, no rest. No rest, no rest. Depart, dear college. Come back, long live day. Long live. Yes, the Long live. Long live, long live. Yes, long live. Long live, long live. Long live, long live.
Pang lên pang lên
Long live, long live. No, Namaste. Glory. No, Namaste. Glory. No, Namaste. Glory.
Let's go there continue
School, college, higher secondary, professional, plan, plastic, itum sangse. University, proof, yet, tinangidi. No university proof, no. No university proof, no. No professional of school, college, higher secondary, no rest. No rest, no rest. No professional of school, college, higher secondary, no rest. No rest, no rest. Employed long live, long live, long live. STC youth for long live, long live, long live. No pronunciation of school, college, higher secondary, no rest, no rest, no rest. No pronunciation of school, college, higher secondary, no rest, no rest, no rest. No pronunciation of school, college, higher secondary, no rest, no rest, no rest. University Pan. Full flight Pinangiri. Full flight University Pinangiri. Full flight University Pinangiri. Hem plek long letik. Hem plek long letik. Hem plek long letik. No thermostat. No thermostat. No thermostat. School college high secondary full flight Pinangiri. School, college, higher secondary. Nitum ka song ke Karbiang Long lo primary school, higher secondary school, high school, Lapente, college and tame recognize ide. Or except the government college pen ke. Lasif, Prabjin pen, Laso Puthak, provincialized claim Lapnang po. Haso Puthak si SDC youth phone Lapente, KSA penamangke nitum tong sekot. La beteng tom la so armu chejeng denginang kok lo halah hendo ahok pera lama mangge la si kedam tangar ni Oktober acek lo tarik ukoran der kepani SDC KSA KNC Youthron song plipen Assam Education Minister Unus Pigolong memorandum piam lo Karbiang Long lo primary school Lapenda high school higher secondary school Lapente college and Lapente university proof layat pinangi permanent pen nilutum cetong namlo cetong nam pen non antame thang ang thek thelo na la so yo ne si dilutum ese pena youth phone I hin pen itum la nuwe me theng tom abangke position mangai tum claim na koklo hala halo nuwe jase me pet kachi song kon da bangai an chot takali BJP a government atum hempek aputak batai ar bielong rat phan kachi chak hala so putak bangke India kacaria ron article 244A along ke tok dak la so putak bangke alang atum don BJP Sorkar pi Assam Sorkar dak council lambe alang tum dikan kre pho chok bom lo kasolai la so pudak bangsi ar bielong aphan Bharat kacaria ron tok dak article 244A bangke pachun vek nangi kusi ESL pende youth phone pen la pai sin we che song polo atheba bolo Rajnath Singh 2014 ni kanta dok mokalo alang li election campaign arili hala sudame suri phokyak suse abai pilong se alang li chichaklo an chodali BJP atum batai tin election long ta manifesto long dame ni tumong se sarkar piwang BJP tumong se sarkar chari polo long te small state ke creation man ke small state pamandi man ma ke agenda do pula so men pensi alang tum rat phana chichaklo an chodali papir gau ihura por hud Central BJP itu secretary lo alang lita tok ang pensi alang lita small state ikiat pan make BJP yang si sarkar piwang lo ponte small state creation man kai itu agenda do po alang tum non sarkar pi central government Assam government la penada council long ta alang tum ni kan po chok ta lo la so production non ke BJP tum kar bilong rat phan article 244 lo la dak la so na pa implement pan apolo hala so ajo ini pensi nungwe la ESDC youth phone pendre ESC man da intang kring pen tos position ke damang kok bangke la lo oh
So kita makai isi ini thi là son inung pung ata dokok si la so pin be thang to person teng nang kok lo athema je ni tum long itum education pel atmosphere ave pilo la so ave pin bolong theke dam tang tum chiklo jona prang samile tum education minister pha chitong nam lo je dak BEd college pen cheng lok ka duk le pareng nang ki athe mai itum la bangso non bagala so education system la bucket tet la pen BEd nang ki agar la bangso BEd nang bo kacharli dise mabe kacharli dimse abe pore ko sono lage lasi litum la bangke ahormu bangke angdeng do lasi prabjin pen non isialam isilong nili bangke thonglok English high school bali patharong nili ke managing do lo hala bang solong kan lo backlog asisi kep do asis khali backlog ase hala hai long ke la bangke backlog bude tum la bangke post ma se ka ke piun hala long play lasi prabjin pen na hok pe non da tichar la bangke la chiplo jong jin yang dong bang nang ko athema hala BEd avelang tet avelang la solo bangke la ki student mangke hong he BEd avelang tet avelang lasi la so bangke teacher avelang ke teacher la ke usumar mangke hong he na la aning kan ke pa lute la bangke ko pilo usumar si ka hang no po la song ja ko prek school da teacher ka bido piglo lasi hala so bang ko bing lasi itum la hai ko pilo ka siksa sumlam dam sinang fan ba si tum karbinglong memle ko no photo halabang so phong bong pen ko pilo itum da asam long pa na karbing long pa ang tan ka prek lap so me mel afan chimilai le tum no sinapi ande silasi karbing long ke pang kri do assistant da non ke pang kri gali asi tum ko pilo hem prek hang pasilang ko non si hem prek da non se ati ku tu buri for ege pa ke ang leng deng si song mong krem mom lon la sin nong ri da me ku ke pang jeng khulo le tum ati ku tu buri ke prap jin pen implement vek nang ko la hen Hendrik
Ditum kima. Ditum kima. Before university full play back nangje. Before university full play nangje. Before university full play nangje. Before biat kuliah ring nangje. Before biat kuliah pareng nangje. Before biat kuliah pareng nangje. Hampre glomete. Medical college full project Pinanggi. Medical college full project Pinanggi. Medical college full project Pinanggi. No Tormaste. No Tormaste. No Tormaste. Preg long leti. Preg long leti. Preg long leti. No Tormaste. No Tormaste. Ditum kema. Ditum kema. Assam University full project Pinanggi. Assam University full project Pinanggi. BEd college Pareng Nanggi. 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 Medical college full project Pinanggi. Medical college full project Pinanggi. BEd college Pareng Nanggi. No Tormaste. No Tormaste. Empreg long leti. Empreg long leti. Empreg long leti. ME School High School Provincialized for Energy. ME School High School Provincialized for Energy. ME School High School College Provincialized for Energy. No Tormaste. No Tormaste. Ditum kema. Ditum kema. BEd college Pareng Nanggi. BEd college Pareng Nanggi. Medical college full project Pinanggi. Medical college full project Pinanggi. Medical college full project Pinanggi. BEd college Pareng Nanggi. BEd college Pareng Nanggi. No Tormaste. No Tormaste. No Tormaste. No Tormaste. No Tormaste. No Tormaste. BEd college Pareng Nanggi. BEd College Parengi. Difu Medical College Full Project Pinangi. Difu Medical College Full Project Pinangi. Difu Medical College Full Project Pinangi. Difu University Full Project Pinangi. Difu Assam University Full Project Pinangi. No autonomous state. No autonomous state. No autonomous state. No autonomous state. BEd College Parengi. BEd College Parengi. BEd College Parengi. ME School High School Provincial Sport Vegangi. ME School High School Provincial Sport Vegangi. Medical College Parengi. Medical College Full Project Pinangi. Medical College Full Project Pinangi. Assam University Difu Campus Full Project Pinangi.
Organizing this
Medical College
rally.
Full Project Pinangi.
All because of the fact we have got two reasons that why we are protesting at this time of the year and at this time of the day. All because of the fact that the SDC, KSA, SDC Youthon and KNCA have submitted to the Honorable Home Minister of the country on the 10th of July in regards to the accordance of full-fledged university, Difu Assam University Difu campus, and also the BEd College that has to be re-emerged, and we have got more than 150 ME schools. We have got 200 ME schools, 150 high schools, around 30 higher secondary schools in Karbi Anglong, and also around 15 to 20 colleges in Karbi Anglong. All those are yet to be provincialized. Our demand is very much perennial and very much a legitimate one. But in spite of all this, the government of Assam, the government of India, even the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council have not been paying heed. Therefore, the SDC Youthon and KSA have been really, decked to the wall for not responding to the demands. For that reason, the SDC, Youthon and KSA delegations led by SDC, KNCA went to the Honorable Education Minister of Assam on the 28th of October 2024, and he assured that he will be coming to Karbi Anglong to take stock of the education scenario in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. But he didn't turn up. It has been a month now, more than a month now. For that reason, we are demanding Ranus Pigu, Honorable Education Minister of Assam, Ranus Pigu must come to Karbi Anglong immediately and solve the education problems permanently and quickly. We have got around 200 ME schools in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong, 150 high school in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong, around 20 colleges in Karbi Anglong, higher secondaries around 35. Those are yet to be provincialized. Languishing, our Assam University Difu campus is languishing. It has become a training center for the teachers. Even Difu Government College also has become a training center for many of the teachers. They come here and teach here only for 3-4 years and left back. This is the reason that we need permanent principal. We need the teachers who have to work here for at least 10-15 years, and also higher secondary level. That has to be provincialized. Even Go Boys at the heart of the town, government boys and government girls. This is also yet to be provincialized. So it's a matter of fact that people have started to laugh at us. The reason is nothing at all. The bottom line is always that people are easy to point fingers at us that why Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong, Dimasa are always at a low F. When the class 10's results came out, when the higher secondary results came out, this is all because of the fact that Sumila Rohangpi was burned to SS in the year 2021 because her parents could not afford to give education to send her to schools. So her parents decided to send to one of the families or one of the like-minded families in Murigaon, and unfortunately she was burned. All because of the fact that we have not having quality education center. To produce quality education center in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong need to be provincialized so that good teachers, qualified teachers, quality teachers, all in school infrastructure, educational infrastructures will be coming up. For that, we need, this is part of the need that we have been always crying for. We don't have to take to any dire situations to press for the implementations of those educational institutions to set up in a form of provincialization. Therefore, Honorable Minister of Education, Assam, Ranus Piku, please come immediately to Karbi Anglong and please mind your own words that you have assured to come in Karbi Anglong to take stock of the position senior in Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong, but you are yet to come. Therefore, we request you to come here immediately. And Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, headed by Honorable Dr. Tular Monghang, will also take the initiative to invite Honorable Minister of Education, Ranus Piku, here in Karbi Anglong immediately. Yeah, this is what the SDC Youth Front and the KSA demands are. And our favorite, our perennial demands, Autonomous State Demand. Autonomous State Demand Committee was set up, was founded in 1986. We have been fighting, it has been 37 years now. Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, all SDC delegations before the MP elections. That was on March 12th, there in Guwahati. And he shared that he will take the SDC leadership, the SDC delegations to Delhi in the eye of Narendra Modi and Amit Shah to talk about the implementation of our long demand, our long cherished dream called Article 244A. But it has been 6 months, more than 6 months now, after the general election of the country. Therefore, these sorts of lying words is not going to be accepted by the Hill people. Therefore, request that autonomous state must be implemented. Call for a tripartite talk that has to be represented by the Assam government and Karbi Anglong and a union government. So, Assam, Karbi Anglong can be consist of delegations from SDC, BJP, CASCOM, or Congress, or all the stakeholders of autonomous demand. Therefore, we request that please invite for tripartite talk there in Delhi. This initiative has to be taken by the Honorable CM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Dr. Tular Monghang and Himanta Biswa Sharma, and Mr. Ranus Piku, Honorable Education Minister Ranus Piku. Please come immediately here in Karbi Anglong to solve the educational problems, to raise the standard of education in Karbi Anglong, right from the primary level, MU level, high school level to higher secondary, up to the highest learning level, called university. Therefore, please come immediately. This is the demand of SDC, Youth Front and KSA. Yes.
Kaya nang arjo yun man?
So protest mo sa kupilo ng
Lake genuine demands no? Isi ke autonomous state mati. Autonomous state bangke 1969 pen la 1971 aningkan Congress la pen APSLC kunang chubedet. Langsot woti nilitum non movement claim nang kong. Otherwise SDC, KSA, KNC la pen kado wetame autonomous state movement bangke duyo project potlo APSLC Congress kunang 1969 lapen 71 aningkan nang chubedet dia sante lai sialam hini alama bangke pinia dimas bangke la KSA pen dolo SDC Youth Front atum dolo lasi educational demands lasi langsa demands bangke genuine lo ateda high school ke duan da provincialized napo higher secondary ke duan da provincialized napo lapen la college ke duanta la government atum provincialized napo government atum denget napo lapen Assam bangso non Dipu campus university Assam campus Assam university Dipu campus bangka full fledged central university converted nako lapen medical college ta it should be a full fledged medical college non ke medical college pusita MRI anta ave specialization a course ave lasi lanchot kali la kadugo beta full fledged nako Dipu campus la bangso university ka full fledged nako Dipu medical college ta full fledged medical college nako anpar ke B.Ed college ta non ke thilo rasonamati la ta pareng gunako lailo nilitim Dipu ke anpar ke la KSA to major dingo panda dimas do nilitum SC panda dimas do lo longle pata ta me English में जिपी नहीं वोटर लिस्ट में इंग्लिश में जिपी नहीं लाइन लो नेल्टम दे नेमे के पूजे बांके
Karbianglong, West Karbianglong, Dimasor, Kangchir, Nai, Himotok, Susurwara, Yuan Bors, and Inde, Hempek, and PG, Lapsuma, Coin, Popan, Nai, 2 and 3 Patai, Pahang, back A. Hempek on the tick, Hempek on the tick, Hempek on the tick, Hempek on the tick, Hempek on the tick,
পূরণ কৰিব লাগিব পূৰণ কৰিব লাগিব তৰাজি পূৰণ কৰিব লাগিব তৰাজি পূৰণ কৰিব লাগিব তৰমাস্তে তৰমাস্তে এসসি জিন্দাবাদ 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 এসসি জিন্দাবাদ 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 এসএ জিন্দাবাদ 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 এসএ জিন্দাবাদ জিন্দাবাদ জিন্দাবাদ